Hey everyone, what's going on? It's BradPhusion here with a Space Engineer's really quick tutorial video on how to change your welding time and welding speeds. Now, I suggest for anyone who doesn't really do any coding or anything, I highly recommend simply downloading the required files from the Space Engineers subreddit or the forums, because there will be a post there labeled under something such as welding time or 3 times welding speed. You will find it if you search for it in those locations. Don't just use Google, because I don't think Google will really come up with much. But this is a tutorial for if you actually want to edit the files yourself and you want to set specific numbers for specific files or specific blocks. So right now I am in C drive, program files, and Steam. I'm going to go into my Steam apps. I'm going to go common, and I'm going to go down to Space Engineers, content, and data. Now in here you will see quite a few data files, and you'll see one called QBlocks. Now if you open this up, it'll ask you what program you want to open it up with. Go Notepad or Notepad++, anything like that should work quite fine. So with it open, you can see quite a lot of text here. Now to quickly search through this, you're going to go edit and find. Now I'm going to paste in the text that I've highlighted from before, which is the arrow bracket, build time seconds, and arrow bracket. Now if I go find next, it'll find anything that has build time seconds in this whole file. So right now you can see that this is the light armor block and its current build time is 8 seconds. So say if I want this to be 25% of its original speed, I'll simply change that to 2. And if I go find next again, it'll find that this is the light armor slope and it has a build time of 5 seconds. So I would change that to be 1.25 seconds. If I go find next again, build time of 3 seconds for the light armor corner, I can change that to 0.75 seconds, and so on and so forth. If you want to do this a lot quicker and a lot lazier, but not with really precise numbers, you can simply go to find and replace, and go build time seconds again, but then paste in build time seconds with 0 point. Now what this will do is this will put a 0 point in front of every single build time number there is. Now this will cause errors for anything with 0 point already in front of it, so you'll get 0.0 point, but in the default file there shouldn't be anything with 0 point in front of it. Now the weird thing about doing it this way is that, for example, you have light armor inverted corner that has a 7-second build time. So if you do it like this, it will replace it with 0.7 seconds. Now for the next block, it will be, hang on, let me just find the block I'm talking about here, heavy armor block. Now if I do the same thing for this, it'll be 0.24, which would be a lot quicker than 0.7, but nonetheless, if you wanted to just speed up weld times really quickly and lazily, this is a way you can do it. But if you want to edit the files or edit the values individually, you can do it this way as well. So instead of 24, it will be 6 seconds if you're going to go with 25%. So anyways, this has been a very quick tutorial. If this has been helpful for you, leave a like on the video. If you don't understand anything still, leave a comment and I will try to get back to it ASAP. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Stay awesome, everyone.